Hey, what's up everybody? Today I've got 11 more modern bebop licks for you. So today we're actually branching away from 2-5-1s. We're going to look at some other progressions and we're going to have some fairly tricky bebop licks that are going to help you practice, get way better, have better technique, have a better ear for bebop, and just overall improve your piano skills. Also, don't forget that you can actually slow this video down to half speed to check out how I'm fingering all the licks and just get them in your ear at a slower pace. To do that, just go and click on the little settings icon in YouTube and go to speed and click 0.5. Also, if you guys want all 20 bebop licks in all keys, I have them available for instant download in PDF form at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. I'll make sure to put the link in the description. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these licks. And if you're new to this channel, please consider clicking subscribe and clicking the little bell to turn on notifications. I've got weekly videos coming right at you. Alright guys, let's jump right into these bebop licks. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, you can get the PDF with all of these exercises in all keys at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the little bell to turn on notifications so you never miss any more videos just like this one. Cool guys, thanks so much and I'll see you next time.